West Peak East Khas Hills District ba Vivek M haka khatlai tarik risau arja arpusan ula kentu igi pajba ki babu igi kor CCTV bagi deiban boru hakmat ka khardop ka ba Phai Surok. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ba Vivek M ula ong babun sin hi urius ne uwan na sabar ka khardop na kerpong yeng da ba pen pau bagi pulet kila rai ba barok ki guest house ki hotel ki hapan bo igi kor CCTV hakmat ki khardop namar lada dan ki Sabut kan long ka ba Jynjar ban Lapksai ya ki comes new.
East Khas Hills Police has always emphasized on safety. Safety is a priority for us, and for that we need to have certain things put in place. Number one is coordination and cooperation with the local stakeholders, the Kaba, the Shillong Mail, that coordination through the community liaison group. That coordination is very important. That is already there in place. Also, the kind of infrastructure we have for safety, street lighting, the illumination around the places. If a place is dark, then criminals also are more. They feel it's more emboldened to actually commit any crime. If you have CCTVs, we've been doing that. We've been taking up this thing that every guest house, every office establishment, every business house, every hotel, that should have CCTVs, at least one CCTV facing the road. That's very, very important. So we're emphasizing on all these safeguards. We're emphasizing also on patrollings, both with the VDPs and VDP and the police. We are trying to encourage more VDPs in the city. We have very few VDPs in the city because the numbers, there's a condition that you have to have 25 and above. We're bringing that number down, so we're encouraging more VDPs and to work in tandem with the police, because police, you can't police every place. Yes. So VDPs are there, they are first responders. In case there's an yellow problem also, in case there's a mob frenzy, there's a mob outburst also, the VDP is always there to not only look after the victim, but also sometimes you have to protect the accused also. Okay, because we cannot allow the crowd or the mob to take the law into their own hands. So this coordination and this working in tandem with the VDP and also with the community stakeholders like the Atiar is very, very important. Apart from that, infrastructure is a lot of assets in place. We've seen the smart city that's really helped the police. So many places have been covered by smart city and all that, and it has really helped. We just want now, but crime is not committed in very centrally located places. Crime is mostly committed in places which are in the corner, which is dark alley and all that. So we need more CCTVs. Encourage, urge people in their residence to, at least when you put CCTVs, not only to put CCTV inside your house or in the compound, but at least place one CCTV from your gate towards the road, because the perpetrator of any crime will always come from outside. He's not from inside. Yes, it's good to have inside, but you have to have one at least outside. So now we made it conditional for all guest houses, for hotels and all that, to have CCTV, at least one facing the road. So that is very, very important. It has helped us solve many cases. It has also made it difficult, like you've seen in the Nongra case also. In the Nongra, the first case where the 4-year-old child was killed. There was a CCTV, but it was not working. And there are also cases where there are CCTVs, but not placed, not facing towards the road. And also there are also cases where you don't have CCTVs at all. So it becomes a big disadvantage for the police and all that. If you have these things in place, it's a deterrent for criminals. It also helps crime detection. See, in fact, this over the years has been a very good thing, since our response mechanisms also is one as such whereby we had looked at CCTVs and all that. The BSF was very helpful in providing their CCTV. The CLG, where we work with the Rambashnong, and I was personally in touch with Bapundro, the Rambashnong of Ompling and all that. And they were able to provide us the ground information and all that, information of the family and all that, for which we could actually know exactly what is the position of this case and how to respond and to act. So accordingly, different stakeholders had, different response teams had come, be it technology, be it patrolling, be it combing, be it naka, everything was actually put in place in a few minutes only. This whole response mechanism had actually panned out.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.